Okay, so Mr. Shan is preparing some cupcakes for a party, but so we know that the ratio of the number of adults to the number of children attending is 2:1. So which means that for every 2 adults, there will be 1 child. They said that among the children, the number of boys and girls attending are the same. Okay, so which means that every 1 boy, there will be 1 girl, right? Okay, we stop here at this point of time. Now, we know that for the adults and then for the child is 2:1. But then they told us that the number of boys and girls are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and times 2, I'm going to take this times 2, so that what I get is actually 4:2. Why would I want to do that? Is because I can split the 2 into 1 boy and then 1 girl. Okay, so these 2 will actually become a 4, 1, 1. So this will be the adult, this will be the boy, and this will be the girl. Simple, right? Okay, so after we do that, then we continue with it. They say that a total of 240 cupcakes are prepared, so that each adult will get 1 cupcake, and then each of the child will get 3 cupcakes. Okay, so we ignore the cupcake first because the question is not about the cupcake now. Now, part A, they say what fraction of the people attending are girls. If we have 4, 1, 1, with 4 adults to 1 boy to 1 girl, we can very easily answer this question. So fraction of the people will be the total people. So we have 4 plus 1 plus 1, oops. And then the girls here will be 1. So this will give us 1/6. So this will be the answer for the first question, which is part A. What fraction of people attending are the girls? Now, for part B, they said that how many girls are attending the party. With this, we need to talk about the cupcake. You see, they said that total there are 240 cupcakes. Adult will get 1 cupcake, and each child will get 3 cupcakes. Now, I'm going to start drawing. Because they said that, oh, okay, sorry, wait. Now, you see that there are 4 adults to 1 boy to 1 girl, right? So I'm going to draw adult, 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 adult. 1 boy, 1 girl. So every adult will get 1, right? So 1, 1, 1, 1. Every boy will get 3 because the child. Every girl will actually get 3. So in this case, right, it's actually, let's find the total. The total is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3. And this will give us 10 cupcakes. Okay, so this is 1 set. So 1 set, right, is 1 group of people, which means that because the ratio is 4:1 to 1, so there are 4 adults to every 1 boy to every 1 girl. So total there are 6 people, and 6 people here will get 10 cupcakes. But they told us that in total there are 240 cupcakes, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 240 divided by 10 cupcakes. Okay, so this is going to give me 24. What is this 24? This 24 is a number of sets of this. This is 1 set. I have 24 sets of all this. In 1 set there are 4 adults, 1 boy and 1 girl. So in 24 sets, how many girls are there? Because they're asking for how many girls are attending, right? 1 set got 1 girl. 24 sets will be 24 girls. Here's 24 times 1 giving me 24. So this is actually your final answer. Okay? So be careful for questions like this, right? This set method, I taught it many times for the previous questions as well. Okay? So this is one of the methods that is one of the best if you're doing ratio and then for fractions. Easy, Done.